In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a calendar to Notion step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Calendars in Notion are incredibly useful for planning projects, tracking launches, managing reports, and staying organized all in one place. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully working calendar inside Notion that you can customize however you like. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and go to any page where you want to add your calendar. This can be a brand new page or an existing page that you already use for planning or notes. Once you're on the page, click anywhere on the blank space so your cursor is active. This is where we'll start creating the calendar. Next, type the command /cal on your keyboard. As soon as you type /cal, Notion will open up the block menu with different options. From this menu, look for Calendar View. This option allows you to create a calendar layout that's connected to a database, which is what makes it so powerful. Now, click on Calendar View. When you do this, Notion will ask how you want to create the calendar. For this tutorial, click on New Empty Data Source. This creates a brand new database that will be used only for this calendar, which is perfect if you're starting from scratch. Once the calendar is created, you'll see a calendar layout appear on your page. Each date on the calendar can hold entries, tasks, or events. To add your first item, click on the plus icon on any date in the calendar. This opens a new entry where you can give it a name and add details. For this example, type in Launch as the name of the entry. This could represent a product launch, a content launch, or any important event you want to track. Press Enter to save it, and you'll now see that entry placed on the calendar for that specific date. Next, let's add another item. Click on the plus icon again on a different date, or the same date depending on your needs. When the new entry opens, type in Report. This could be a report deadline, a weekly review, or any recurring task you want to keep track of using our calendar. At this point, you've successfully added multiple items to your Notion calendar. You can click on any entry to open it and add more details like descriptions, tags, or even additional properties. You can also drag and drop entries to different dates if your schedule changes. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a calendar to Notion and start using it to organize your work and projects more effectively. Calendars are one of the most powerful features in Notion, and once you get comfortable with them, you can use them for content planning, project management, personal scheduling, and much more. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.